So we're having our first untethered test flight today, so that's very exciting.
Everyone's probably got a little bit of the nerves, but I think we're prepared well, and I think the team feels good about today, and the Cali weather is amazing to support that.
Very excited. Nervous. Excited. Mainly excited.
We worked really hard to this point, and we have a lot of confidence in what we're doing, so the nerves are there, but not significant.
Turned on.
Check.
RC controller turned on.
Check.
Flight computer communication established.
Check.
Firmware running.
Check.
Ground station software displayed on monitor.
Check.
Telemetry data link established.
Check.
Companion computer communication established.
Check.
BMS communication established.
Check.
Cooling system turned on.
Check.
Perfect. Okay, sounds good. We're ready to go.
Actuators armed.
Check.
We just performed our very first untethered flight, which I think is history.
Very proud of the team. We came so far, and just very proud to see the aircraft fly. Right from the moment we took off, the controls felt very stable. We felt very comfortable.
Long days, sleepless nights, a lot of blood, sweat and tears, but in the end it all paid off.
Pure enjoyment.
We're about to fly today for the first time without a tether. There was just this thick tension in the air.
It was scary at the beginning, and it were 3 full long minutes, but it was really nice.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I'm happy that everything worked out exactly as we wanted to, and we practiced for this, so there weren't any surprises, but it's still kind of crazy to see it happen for the first time.
Yeah, of course we've done it dozens of times, but still untethered was way nervous. But yeah, it turned out pretty happy with it.
Yeah, it's very exciting to see. Seeing everything come together and going so successfully as it did. It was really nice.